Right guys, so let's just jump right into the look, shall we? So I'm going to start off with my primer, and I'm using the Good Molecules Silicone Free Priming Moisturizer. I really love this because it's not only a primer, but it's a really good moisturizer, and it's worked really well with all the foundations that I have. And then to set that in place, I'm going to go in with the Morphe Jeffree Star Setting Mist. I love the smell of this, guys. And then just for my eyes only, I'm going to start off with the Gerard Cosmetics BB Illuminator, and I'm keeping that on my forehead and blending my foundation right on top. Again, just keeping it on the forehead for now while we work on the eyes. And then for my eyes, I'm going to go in with the Plouise primer base in 0, and I'm blending that right on top. And I'm going to go in with the Norvina collection VOL.3, and I'm going to pick these shades to start working. First thing is to blend in a really nice dark shade in the outer V. What you want to do is pack it on top of that base and then gently blend it out with the more red orange color. And I'm keeping that blend circular because I really want it to be like a circular cut crease. And you're going to be going back and forth, deepening the crease, blending it out, deepening the crease and blending it out some more. And then I'm going in with the Doubledown Cosmetics, the Control Loose Eyeshadow. And it's a nice, beautiful black shadow. And I'm blending that into the crease. And with no product on the brush, I'm just blending out the edges. So crease has been cut and I've applied my base again. And now I'm going in with the Phoenix and also the Doll collaboration in the Power. And I'm packing that on my lid. Now these two colors together are so beautiful, so pigmented, and as you can see, there was no fallout on my face, literally none. And then I'm just creating a wing eye. You guys have seen wing eyes created a gazillion times, but I'm just creating a wing eye that just goes right outside the eye. And now I'm just applying my face products. You guys have seen me do my face 1,000 times. There's nothing new. Going in with my illuminator, my foundation, contour, concealer, and all that good stuff. What I really wanted to say to you guys was that Doubledown Cosmetics loose eyeshadows are really, really good, super pigmented. I'm so happy to be working with them. And this look was inspired by the domestic abuse group that they look after. They really wanted a really nice spring look using Doubledown Cosmetics, and of course I had to oblige because I love them. So I really like the way the eye look came out. Now I'm just completing my face, and I've used the Makeup Revolution Infinite Concealer. Absolutely love that product. And now I'm going in with the Juvia's Face Setting Powder in Gobi. I think the Juvia's Face Setting Powders don't get enough kudos that they should. I really love the finish of them. They feel really nice and they don't feel drying. And then I'm going in with a Mineralized Skin Finish from MAC just to set the rest of my face. And then I'm going to bronze my face with the Morphe Glamour Bronze Bronzer in Phenom. I love this bronzer. I feel like this bronzer is going to be the first thing I hit pan on. It's such a good bronzer, just stunning. And then I'm just applying my eyeliner, and I'm going in with green. And then back to the Norvina palette, I'm just packing on a really dark foresty green in the palette. And then I'm going to blend the lighter neon type of green just closer to my inner corner, just to give it some brightness so it's just not a full-on block of green color. And then I'm going in with my blush from Doubledown Cosmetics in the Statement. It feels really, really nice on the skin. I've never had any allergic reactions or any problems with it, and they are so beautiful. Now this mascara from Maybelline is one of my favorite mascaras so far, and it just lengthens and really makes my lashes full. If you guys are on the lookout for a mascara, definitely check these ones out. I think they're not getting as much love as they should. And of course, the Colouredraine bossy lashes are bae. Like, they literally are everything. And I'm going in with the Dimension highlighter from Doubledown. Now, if you're not careful with these highlighters, you will just be looking like a saucepan from outer space. They're super pigmented. But what I like to do is go over with a blush. So I'm going in with the Standard to try and just soften it up and give it more of a rose gold type of finish so that it's not too harsh. And then I'm just putting on my setting spray. Again, it's the Morphe Jeffree Star collaboration. Lining my lips with the MUA Cosmetics Obsession lip pencil. I don't think this lip pencil gets enough credit, but for me it's a dupe for Chestnut from MAC. And now I'm going in with this gorgeous orange shade from Colouredraine. Now all the products I use will be listed in the description box below, so definitely check it out. And I've also got a video swatching the Jeffree Star the Gloss collection from the Bloodlust release, so definitely check that out as well. But this is the finished look, guys. I also have a video on this hair should you be interested. Definitely check out my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really loved the way this look came out. Definitely give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and stay safe, guys. And remember, God doesn't like ugly. Speak to you soon. Bye.
To the house, the drinks, the lights.